just kind of got to roll with it for the moment. But Friday Parts sells parts for industrial and off-the-road applications from the best I can tell. Some of it at discount prices, so that's sure helpful. We got LED bulbs, that's what we're working with. We're gonna outfit this N6 with nice par 36, what I would call these two here, or this one here is like a high-low beam light. These guys here are just straight up flood, which are 6 of the lights on the combine are just flood lights. The front nose lights for a John Deere 50 series and newer sound guard. Positive. I'm gonna crawl up in the cab and turn the switch and see if these guys turn on. They should. We'll go find out. There you go. We are lit up. That is number one. Me installing those 6 lights. That's it. That's the last one. So I'm gonna clean up and then we'll show them all lit up to you. Well, there you have it. We're all lit up again. Need to close that cover. That's lit up good. Again, big thank you to Friday Parts.